Bose, the audio manufacturer of, and in my opinion, overrated and overpriced speakers, is closing a huge 119 stores globally. Now, in fact, it's quite a brutal move, closing all physical stores in Europe, Australia, Japan, and across the USA too. Now, the only stores that will remain are the handful that they have in China, the Arab Emirates, South Korea, and India, and in some locations in Southeast Asia. Now, this is a huge move, and Colette Burke, Bose's Vice President of Global Sales, stated that stores were mainly used as a point of contact for customers to try out the products. And it seems that then people would then not buy the product in store, they would then go online and buy it there, which is sort of really, I would imagine, Bose's new focus, just online. Now, unfortunately, it does mean that a lot of people will now lose their jobs, but realistically, there is no way Bose could afford to maintain such a huge physical presence. That kind of presence costs an absolute bomb, and they just do not have it. And it comes as a bit of a warning, you know, Bose is making a drastic move here, and their products, in my opinion, are heavily overpriced and in some way really overrated. We could mention Beats in that same sentence too. So who do you think will be next? Do you think Bose are really sort of clutching at straws as to what to do and to try and cut costs? And is this one of the death nails in their coffin? If you liked this video, give me a thumbs up. That's always appreciated. If you've not subscribed, please consider doing that. And if you have subscribed, don't forget to click the bell. In the meantime, I'll do my best to do more videos, which consists of a good degree of nerddom, calibrations, guides on your TV and audio tech, and all sorts of news, reviews, thoughts, opinion, and stuff like that. Thanks again, and I'll catch you next time.